Hello boys and girls, this is Mohit Agarwal here. Very important news coming out for CMA students. Now there is a news coming out that for the foundation level of CMA students, institute has made its preparation to conduct online exams, which means you will be able to give your exam from your home itself, either by desktop mode or by your laptop or even through the smartphones that you have. So, is it going to be feasible or not? For the foundation level, it is quite feasible, because at the foundation level, almost every question is an objective question. So, the entire paper is almost objective paper type. So, it is quite easy to conduct the online exam, the MCQ based, the objective based questions online for the foundation level. But for inter and final, I have a strong doubt regarding the same. And for inter and final, I don't think so that CMA Institute is going to conduct the online exams, because it is not quite feasible, because they have to write subjective answers also. Now coming to the net connectivity issue, I think that if CMA Institute is planning to conduct the online exams for the foundation, then for the net connectivity issue also they must be planning some backup, that if the internet gets lost, the system will be able to track it and give more opportunity to the student to attempt the same. And foundation is just an entrance of the course. So don't treat foundation as a main part of the CMA cycle, because it's just an entrance. All over world, foundation is just treated as an entrance exam. The main story starts from the inter level. So how did we get this news? Because one of the past presidents of CMA institutes have tweeted about the same. Let us see to it. See, this is a tweet which reads, I will advise CAT and foundation students to be ready for online examination. Now this tweet quite clearly portrays that institute must have had planned for the online exams of the foundation, and they are going to come out with the notification in a week. Have no advice for others except keep studying, which means for inter and final there is no foolproof decision as of now. But I do hope that till next week institute is going to make it very clear. And what I feel, what my gut feeling says, that for the foundation the online exams will happen. For the inter final there is no chance of online exams, and offline exams I think will be perhaps merged with the December. It is my personal views only. Okay, so yes, there is no denying the fact that you have to keep studying, whether the exams take place in September or December, you must keep studying. But for the foundation, now I guess it is very clear from this tweet that foundation students are going to have their online exams, and you should prepare, and just no, do not take so much pressure that what will happen if the internet gets off, etc. Institute is going to take online exam, then I'm sure it must be coming out with the foolproof plan. If not, then I'm there to support you guys. Don't worry about it. Take care. Lots of love. Take care. Bye bye. Spread this video with all. सारे CMA fraternity तक पहुंचा देना है. Subscribe कर लेना है, share कर रहिए. Bye.